Hey guys, welcome back to Gaijin Garage, and today what I'm doing, well, you know that I went to hell back in this car to get it going on, but before I tell you what I'm doing, hit like, hit share the video, subscribe, and thumbs up. Alright, that's better. So you know I went to hell back to get this car running. I got the system home, I got the fans cooling on the motor. Been for a while now I can touch it nice and cold. This is what I'm doing, guys. I got some Honda bonds over here. I have a Vtec part number right there, solenoid. I have inner and outer gaskets and the Vtec. So like I was saying before I got interrupted, I got the Vtec gasket, and these gaskets are for the timing chain tensioner, because mine bought an aftermarket one from Amazon. I don't want to say it too loud, and it's working, but it's leaking, and I mean the gaskets are not working. So I got some Honda bond, I got some of that, and I'm about to take all that apart in a minute, replace it with everything new, and let's get it rolling. Okay, so stay tuned and get you going. It wasn't that bad. I'm gonna put in on. Basically, it goes like this. Boom. Right here. It's been leaking. See? It's been leaking. Look, everywhere. See it? So, clean this up back a little bit later than usual. I already put this. Took me an hour to do this, to put this back in here. Now I'm gonna replace the seals. This is done. I'll seal it out. So let me get my little tool. So there are two of them in here. Now the big one and the small one. I'm gonna start with the small one. I mean with the one in the back. And I'm gonna take it off. All right, so I got it off. So I'll go here. So this one right here, part number, is the big one. I can tell you right now it's thicker than the one that was here. So I'm going to put it on. Oh yeah, cross, boom. Oh yeah. It's a little bit less thicker than the other one. Now I'm going to do the first one. Temperature's dropping out here. So this is the other one. This one, this part number right here from Honda is the one that I'm replacing here. So putting it on, just like so. Okay, I did the other one. Boom. And then I'm gonna grab some of this silicone. I've got some Honda Bond. I'm just gonna go a little bit across. I'm not going to damp it on too much. Just gonna put a little bit across. It's natural. Sometimes it leaks, sometimes it don't. And let's just cover in my butt. Some of you guys will be like, well, you know, Freddie, if you put the right thing in there, it's not gonna leak. But let's just cover a little bit of my butt on it. Alright guys, so we had success. Vtec is no longer leaking. And a quick advice for you guys. I took out this out of the junkyard. Actually, yeah, you see how you got a little seal right there? The new one doesn't come with that, it comes sealed. And that's pretty cool because if you look through there, that's where the leak in. And you know, when you're working on cars, especially in the Honda, the leak through right here, and it's giving me a headache, you know. And these two are real pepper thin. I put the other ones in from Honda. Tension are still holding good. So I'm putting that one there, that one there. I gotta adjust the valves. Guys, I'm gonna say goodbye to you for now. Car running good. Take a few valve tapping, and if you get the tensioner, that's my next step. I hate leaks on my cars, man. If you see I have a leak, water or oil or brake, I gotta fix it right away. I gotta work tomorrow, and this is my daily driven. And tonight I'm gonna do the brakes. I'll start in the front and work all the way around it. So, see you later, guys. Peace out. I want to give a shout out to Mike Guzman, Honda Fort Myers. Thank you, bro. Always hooking it up. Thank you, brother. If you guys anything that you guys have to do, you know, go see Mike Guzman at Honda Fort Myers. He's gonna hook you up to the max, man. Always do for me.